Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Brother Alan Hensley here. Well, Schoharie County Department of Social Services Child Protective Agency at best has just committed slander, character assassination, maligning one's character, as well as at the very least custodial interference. Because they violated a court order where a person was meant to stay in the county and the state of New York, county of Schoharie, state of New York, and yet they lied to the judge, which is perjury, and said that Carrie was trying to kidnap her own son. Now, if we would have kidnapped him, we would have been on the run the rest of our life. We are not trying to do that. We are trying to do everything legal. However, by them doing what they did, going to a judge, getting a secret document, which even her attorney has not seen, this is very much reminiscent of how the Gestapo, the fucking SS, used the KGB, all used to operate this way. We're in America. We don't fucking play that. We don't do that. So, if anyone out there has any friends or relatives that work for the Department of Agriculture who happens to run the Department of Social Services at any social services office, then please message me in the comments with the number and the person's name, and I will personally call them. I am trying very much to keep my anger under control and trying to do this in a legal, rational, grown-up, mature manner. My first instinct, well, we won't talk about that. Those of you who know me know what my first instinct was to do. However, again, not worth my freedom. I love the boy like he's my own. They're not worth my freedom. He's worth my life. They're not worth my freedom. So, you know, I'm trying to do this legal. She is trying to do this in a legal manner. However, it seems like social services wants to play games. Well, if they want to play games, I'm more than willing to play games. They won't like my games because I'm the best at them. I was trained by the best before the military, during the military, and after the military. I am the absolute best at mind games. Now, like I said, I'm trying to do this legal. She's trying to do this legal. The fact that someone would accuse her of what they did is bullshit. And I won't take a family member being lied to or about. See, I have a simple code. I don't lie to others. I don't disrespect others. I don't lay my hands on them unless it's warranted. I require the same from others. That also means that I don't lie about family members. I don't have family members lied on. I don't have family members disrespected. And I don't have family members laid a hand on. I require the same from others, and I don't do the same. It's a very simple fucking cowboy code. Now, I'm not the originator of it. That would be John Wayne in The Shootist, where he played J.B. Books. But it's a very true statement that I've taken to heart and made my own. This is not right. I don't give a fuck who you are. You can be God himself, and right is right and wrong is wrong. And if God himself stood before me and did something wrong, I'd whoop his ass if it was warranted. Alright? Wrong is wrong, no matter who you are. They didn't do an investigation. If they had, they would have found out that it was a bullshit complaint and a bullshit claim. Alright? She's very much upset right now. And I'm just fucking angry. Because you don't fuck with someone's family. And yet that is exactly what they are doing. They cannot go against the judge's order, no matter what. And get some other judge, which I don't even know, to sign off on some order that can't nobody see. No. That ain't how fucking it works. If there is an order stating he can be removed out of court, then we should have been at court. We were never notified of a court date. Therefore, it makes it a kangaroo court. Alright. What they are doing is allowing him to turn their son against his mother. The Supreme Court of this land ruled that that is illegal. No agency, person can allow that. So therefore, they're in violation of the law. Now, if they want to go into the gray area of the law, that's my home, that's my backyard, that's my front room where I live, everywhere. I will gladly meet them in the gray area, and I will win. However, this is a federal funded organization that gets $30,000 a month per child that is removed from a parent or a home. Not to mention the money that they would generally make on fucking the parents paying support. Alright, the man moved so that he could not be able to be served with paperwork so that they could get a divorce. Because with him, it's all about control. He's Alfred Almond James Latour, also known as AJ. He's a scumbag, woman-beating, woman trafficking, including his wife, he tried, fucking scumbag. He's also a pedophile, so the fact that they're allowing a pedophile to be with a kid is fucking beyond me. And this is a PSA to every woman in this country. Don't hook up with Alfred Almond James Latour. What he will do is beat you, mentally abuse you, sex traffic you, rape you. And if you do have a kid with them, he will use that kid to try to terrorize you the rest of your life.
Yeah, until he gets him. And then
he does not play well with others. And AJ, if you see this video, this is your only fucking chance. Come back to New York, come back to Cobleskill, New York, Schoharie County, and do the right thing. Because, brother, I'm telling you now, if I have to come visit you, wherever the fuck you are, you're not going to be happy. I'll do it legally, 100% legal. You will lose. You know me, AJ. You know I'll fucking win. I don't play. I don't lose. I'm a competitive, mean, rotten motherfucker who does shit by the law. And there's man's law, and then there's God's law. And when man's law is not in accordance with God's law, I go on God's law. And that is what's right is right, what's wrong is wrong, and if you do wrong, you get fucking screwed over. What I'm about to bring down on the Department of Social Services for Schoharie County legally is worse than what God did to Sodom and Gomorrah. It's worse than scorched earth because I'm not playing games. So, to all you out there dealing with social services, drop a fucking message in the comments and I'll read them and answer you. And if I can help, I'll gladly help. So will the wife. Wampa is still very much active and going. Wings of Mercy Parent Advocacy. Now they messed up in a huge way. Because now I'm taking the reins of Wampa. And that's something they never wanted. Until next time, remember, Stand up for your rights. Use your mind. And be safe out there. God bless.